Now, let's do an example for tracker mortgage, right? Let's now assume that Ben decided to go for a tracker mortgage. So Ben here decided to go for a tracker mortgage for the same principal amount of £200,000. But in a tracker mortgage, there's a base rate set by the Bank of England. And that base rate, let's assume that base rate here, let's take that off. Let's say base rate equals 3.5%. Now, there's a lender's added rate. Lender's added rate, which is usually 1%. So total annual interest rate will be equal to 3.5.1%, 0.5 plus 1, which is total of 4.5%. Now, we do understand that the annual interest rate is 4.5%. We need to now calculate for the monthly interest rate. So to do that, as we did before in the fixed rate mortgage, we now have 4.5 over 12, have that percent. And if you do that correctly, you would have 0.00375, I think. Yeah, that's right. So that's what you should have approximately. Now, the actual formula for doing this mortgage as well is P times arrow bracket 1 plus arrow to power n over bracket 1 plus arrow raised to power n minus 1. Now, we need to calculate for n. And as we do know, n is the total number of payments equals total number of payments, which is 12 times 25. It's 25 years. So this mortgage is 25 years as well. So that gives us 300. So to do the calculation, we now have M equals 200,000 times 0.00375 bracket 1 plus 0.00375. Let's not forget that 300 over there, very important. And then we have 1 plus 0.00375, 300 over there, minus 1. Now, as I always say, if you want to do this type of calculation, ensure to do the brackets first before you do the outer bit, and then multiply by the 0.0375 to get the actual accurate result. So if you do this accurately, what you would come up with is 1,112 approximately. This is what you'll come up with approximately. But we should also note that if the interest rate, or let's say the base rate set by the Bank of England should drop, let's say by 0.5%, right? The amount that Ben would have to pay will drop. However, if there's an increase by 0.5%, the amount that Ben will pay per month would also increase.